Girl glides channel, or to be more accurate, is towed across by a plane. The young lady in question is Miss Joan Meakin, 24 years old and London born. The object of her spectacular return to England, for she has been studying gliding in Germany for some years, is to imbue us with the same fervor for this sport as prevails over there. Once over Heston, the steel cable is dropped, and the young airwoman loops the loop as evidence of her control over the glider. And so to earth at Heston. Mother is there to greet her.
Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament are in splints. The world-famous clock is